Question number 77. Capacitive diathermy will cause option A, greater heating in skin and subcutaneous tissue than muscle. Option B, greater heating in muscle than skin and subcutaneous fat tissue. Option C, heating in muscle. And option D, heating in skin and subcutaneous tissue. So before get to the answer, let's see some points on capacitive diathermy. So capacitive diathermy are capacitive plate housing which are made of metal encased in plastic housing or transmissive carbon rubber electrodes that are placed between felt pads. In this figure, you can see capacitive plate shortwave diathermy applicators placed around the target to produce an electric field directly. Heating with this applicator is known as heating by electrical field method because the electrical current that generates the heat is produced directly by an electric field. Current will take the path of least resistance. So we know this from our physics knowledge that whenever a current flows, it will always choose the path where there will be least amount of resistance. So the current will generally concentrate in the superficial tissues and will not penetrate as effectively to the deeper tissues if poorly conductive tissues such as fat are present to the superficial structure. Now, thus, the capacitive plates generally produce more heat in skin and fat structures and less heat in the deeper structures. So to produce more heat in muscles, that is the deeper structure, inductive applicators are used. Now for reference purpose, you can see the Michael H.C. Cameron book, page number 206. Now here it is clearly written that capacitive plates generally produce more heat in skin and less heat in deeper structures. From the figure here itself, you can also see there is more heat in the fat structures and there will be lesser heat in the muscle structures, and similarly when applying from the both sides, it is similar to both of the sides. So to answer the question number 77, capacitive diathermy will cause, the correct answer is option A, that is greater heating in skin and subcutaneous fat tissue than the muscle.